Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to register your vehicle in Maryland. Whether you're a new resident or have recently purchased a new car, this video will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's talk about identification. You'll need valid identification, such as your state license, ID, or passport, to begin your vehicle registration. Ensure these documents are current and accessible. Next is the application form, typically VR005. This form requires details like your vehicle's make, model, and VIN. If you find this process daunting, services like 1A Maryland Registration can assist you in completing this form. Let's talk about how to prove that you own a vehicle. In some cases, you may need additional proof, such as a bill of sale. This will be necessary if you bought the vehicle from an auction or a small dealer, if the back of your title is completely filled out, or if you purchased it privately. It may seem like a hassle, but having a bill of sale is crucial in protecting you from fraud. Regarding the fees, there's a fee for vehicle registration. The amount varies, so it's best to check with your tag and title service, or directly with the MDOT. These fees are a mandatory part of the registration process. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents and fees for registering your vehicle, it's time to submit them. You have two options. You can either visit your local tag and title service office for a more convenient way of registration, or submit them directly to the Maryland Department of Transportation, MDOT. Make sure to fill out all the required information correctly to avoid any delays in the registration process. If you choose to register your vehicle at a tag and title service office like 1A Maryland Registration, we ensure that all your documents are filled out correctly to avoid any fines or issues with your registration in the future. You can contact us at 410-553-4774. We are located in Glen Burnie, Maryland, 10 minutes away from the MDOT by car. Don't hesitate to contact us today.